So to make one of these, you just need a cardboard tube and scissors. The first thing you want to do is make a cut about 1.5 centimeters down the side there. Turn it around completely, and on the opposite side make a matching cut. So you've now got 2 cuts on opposite sides. Then what you need to do is start from one of the cut points here, and the aim is you're going to cut from the top of the cut to the bottom of the other cut in just a straight line. So you almost have to estimate the angle you start cutting like that. So you're just cutting a wedge out, and then you repeat that, just rotate it round. It's easier the second time around, you've got a bit more space to work with. Cut it all the way to the bottom, and then you've got that shape. And if you want to, you might just want to take the corners here and just round them off or snip them off. It just makes, in my opinion, a slightly nicer arrow shape. So that's all you've done to make that. You've got the arrow pointing this way, rotate it around and it points that way. To just enhance the illusion, just give it a light squeeze to make a sort of an oval shape, and then you get that arrow. That's all there is to it.